Good morning everyone. Myself Sandeep Ake, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now I am going to present a lecture on the chapter 1 Indian Accounting Standard Ind AS. Before going to know about accounting standard, we shall know some important terms included in the accounting standard. First one, GAAP, GAAP. GAAP means Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. GAAP is one of the broader term which include accounting standard, Indian accounting standards, international accounting standards, international financial reporting standards. GAAP classified into two categories. First one, national GAAP. Second one, international GAAP. National GAAP is also called as accounting standard. Every country has its own accounting standard. For example, in India we can see India National GAAP. In USA we can see USA National GAAP. It is also called as India Accounting Standard or USA Accounting Standard. In case of international GAAP, if several countries adopt or follow one accounting standard, then it is called as international accounting standard. Then it is called as international accounting standard. It is prepared by UK and several other countries, several other European countries. ಒಂದೇ ವಿಧವಾದ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಲವು ದೇಶಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. Now we can see new version of international accounting standard. It is called as International Financial Reporting Standard. In short, it is called as IFRS. IFRS is new version of International Accounting Standards. In case of National GAAP, now we can see new version of accounting standard. For example, in India we can see Indian Accounting Standard. Indian Accounting Standard. It is a new version of accounting standard. Indian Accounting Standard prepared in line with IFRS. Prepared in line with IFRS. ಕಾಲಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ IFRS ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ಆಗ್ತಾವೆಯೋ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಜಾರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, IFRS complaint. How countries adopt IFRS, whether directly or indirectly. Number 1, IFRS adopt. Countries adopting IFRS prepared by IASB, International Accounting Standard Board. For example, Bangladesh directly adopted IFRS in their accounting standard without changing anything in the accounting standard. Number 2, IFRS converge. IFRS converge means preparing own standard but in line with IFRS. IFRS converge andre, for example, Indian accounting standard nalli ನಾವು IFRS ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? ಜಾರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಂಥವುದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? IFRS ಕನ್ವರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ವೈ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್? Why Indian accounting standard needed? First one, to satisfy the needs of the foreign investors. Number two, to satisfy the needs of the company as well as management. Number three, to satisfy the needs of the employees of the company. Number four, to satisfy the needs of the government authorities or regulatory agencies. Number five, to satisfy the needs of credit agencies. Thank you.